let's take a look at how to set up your projects and optimize for feasibility. When setting up your project, accuracy is key. As you input your core metrics like completes goal, expected LOI, and expected IR, keep an eye on the metrics at the top of the screen. You'll see an initial feasibility estimate populate instantly. As you input more information, such as profiling questions and quotas, this estimate updates to reflect those changes. If your project isn't fully feasible, don't worry. We provide a roadmap to get you there. Click the drop-down arrow at the top to see a histogram of what's achievable in the current market and specific suggestions to improve your reach. This includes the best days and times to launch for maximum traction. For example, launching on a specific date like February 2nd might yield much better results than launching today. On the right-hand side, the system highlights potential problem areas. If we aren't fully feasible, the tool breaks it down by category, such as age or ethnicity. It even provides a breakdown of how many completes we expect you can realistically achieve for each group based on historical data. Want more detail? Click into a specific qualification like age. By hovering over the data points, you'll see how your specific quota compares to the average range for similar surveys. Cint aims to provide realistic feasibility estimates, not just optimistic ones. We want to provide numbers we can stand behind so you can launch your project with confidence. Use these insights to tweak your conditions and ensure a successful hit on your target. If you have any questions on how to optimize your projects, please contact your customer success team.